Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert audio or video into text quickly and easily. Let's get started.
First, open your web browser. Search for Riverside Transcription. Open the website. Click on Transcribe now. Next, click on Upload a file. Select your audio or video file and click Open. Select your video or audio language. Then click on I am a human. Click Start Transcribing. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Wait a few moments while the tool converts your audio or video into text. Once it's done, review the text. After that, copy or download the text file to your device. To transcribe another file, click on this button. With this site, you can transcribe as many times as you like for free. And that's it. You've successfully converted your audio or video into text.